removed from its resting place after 26 years.
What the?
What are we going to be doing, guys? We're going to be moving your car.
Shoveling.
Shoveling. And so that we can move the car and put it right there. We're going to go do that.
Put it next to the shitty camper. And don't do drugs, kid.
Yeah, don't do drugs like this guy.
I'm on methamphetamine.
Methamphetamine.
That's not drugs, that's heart problems.
Digging into the ground.
Oh boy.
Yeah. What is that? Digging in the ground right there behind the tire. Oh, that's the plastic. Oh, it's only plastic?
Yeah.
Okay.
Here we go. Yeah, those things more stuff to be fixed on the car. You know what? Let's push it back a little bit, then go forward. Okay. All right,
Let's just.
What the fuck did you say?
I don't know.
Heard something about sex.
He's like, I just sit here.
It's a lowrider to him.
Rock her and push it. Push lightly. Rock it a bit. Rock. 1, 2. Rock it to the left. Straight, left. Straight. He's too close.
Are we lined up at least?
Yeah, we're lined up. It's just his father's too close.
We're not really lined up now.
Okay.
Oh boy.
You're gonna ruin those.
Yeah, it's fine. Give me a Johnny. Look at this thing.
Well, the biggest problem is your father. Whoa!
Yes, I'm afraid
Good?
to do it.
Whoa!
Feels like good.
Yeah, I started slipping the knife. You know, I have a good idea.
What are you?
We have spare tires. I have a car.
What? Huh?
Go grab one of those spare tires.
Don't play it right now. Well, I don't want you to crush me. Good. Please don't fucking crush me.
the power of my Chrysler, we got it up on the ramp.
We also have a person stuck inside of it.
Yeah, we can't get him out.
You have to ride like that back to the town. There we are. Hi, buddy.
It's only 30 minutes. I'm not making this up.
Holy shit.
We put these over the wheels.
So they both came off?
They both came off on both sides. That's terrifying.
Good thing you chained it.
Yeah, I'm really glad I chained it. That was the only thing holding this on. Oh my god. I'm not making that up either. Holy crap. Because I legit just walked up and saw that.
They have brain power, sort of.
Yeah.
Hey, gentlemen. All right. Muscle power.
Be careful. I'd hop in it quick in case it moves when you shut the door.
Yep. Just get that
Straighten the wheel.
straight wheel.
Wait,
Foot
that
brake.
way.
Turn that way. Yeah. Like that.
Yeah.
And foot
Close
brake.
the door. Keep your foot off the brake.
For now.
There you
Off the
go.
brake.
For now. So we can.
No, you're not in the brake, are you?
Again.
Straight. That way. That way. Yeah. Good. Now we gotta
get out of the way. Yay! Yay! Move over. That way. Yay!
Thank you guys.
All
for
right,
helping us out.
podcast. We
You do wrestling stuff.
do wrestling. What do you do?
I work with these two idiots here.
We
And they were the help for the day to move the car. Subscribe to them if you want to see goofy content like that. Thank you guys.